and stash and never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynette, in case you're new here, and welcome to the family. In case you're not subscribed, make sure you do so, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. So guys, I was checking my videos. I was going through my videos, my playlist on YouTube, and I came across the first video I uploaded officially, which is the simple eyebrow tutorial. Okay, the reason why I'm laughing is because I found that video very funny. Actually, I don't even know what to say, but it was funny. Okay, let's start from the lighting to the audience visibility. So the lighting was poor. My background was plain white, so it actually looked, even I don't know, but it was funny. And then the audience visibility was not good, because I was holding the mirror at this level, so you could not actually see what I was doing. So in today's video we're going to be doing that. We're going to rectify all those mistakes in that video, and we're going to come up with a good formal eyebrow tutorial video, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm thinking of doing a voiceover in this video, so I won't be talking, I'll do a voiceover, but I'll see. But I don't think so I'll be talking, I'll be doing a voiceover for this video. So without much further ado, let's get to the video. So guys, here we are. So the first thing I'm gonna do is brush through my eyebrows using the spoolie brush. My spoolie brush has two sides, the angled and the spoolie brush side. So yeah, we're going to gently brush through our eyebrows. If you have bushy eyebrows, make sure you pluck them out, twist them, shave them, whatever you do to your eyebrows. But for me, I pluck mine out using a tweezer. So yeah, brush through your eyebrows like so. So after you brush through your eyebrows, the next thing you're gonna do is use an eyebrow pencil. For me, I'm using Davis number 18. I'm using Davis eyeshadow in the color number 18. You need to use a sharp eye pencil so that you can have good lines. Do the same on the upper side. Join the two lines. And when you're drawing your eyebrows, make sure you follow the exact shape of your eyebrows. Moving on to the next side, we're gonna follow the same procedure. So follow the exact shape of your eyebrow and use a sharp eye pencil for this. So that's it. That's the first step of drawing your eyebrows. Start by outline them. When you finish outlining your eyebrows, you can take a blunt eye pencil. You can have two eye pencils, one for drawing, the other one for shading. So you're gonna shade the sides that are completely empty, the places that you have no hair or you have little hair. So go ahead and shade that space. It's like filling your eyebrows. And at the beginning, you can draw hair-like structures, like so. That step is not necessary, especially if you're going for ombre eyebrows. What do you mean by ombre eyebrows? The beginning part is you've not drawn you have not shaded anything, and then you've shaded the other part. I know you understand these things, you clever people. Yeah, so yeah, we're going for that look. So shade the empty spaces. Ooh. Next up, I'm going to brush through my eyebrows again with a spoolie brush, because as you shade your eyebrows, you tend to clear them flat on your skin because the eye pencil does that. So brushing through them again is a very good option. You can adjust the length, but you know that this length is going to be reduced when you're cleaning your eyebrows. So that's why I like adding an extra length, so that when I clean it up, it will not be shorter than usual, and so you can add a little bit of length, so that when you clean it up, you're gonna what I'm saying. So next up, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade number 2 to clean my brows. I don't know why I'm psyched up like this. So yeah, let's do it. I'm going to put a small amount behind my back. And next up, I'm going to be using, so you can remember I showed you that my spoolie brush has 2 sides. So yeah, the angled brush, I'm gonna use the angled brush to clean my eyebrows. That's how it looks. So yeah, let's do it. I'm trying as much as possible not to block my face with the mirror, and the camera's focus keeps on changing. I don't know why. So that's how you clean your eyebrow. First, draw a very, very, very straight line, following the shape of the eyebrow that you drew with your pencil. So that's what we have for that eye. We're gonna move on to the next eye. Then finally we'll clean the upper eyebrow bone. Well, I don't know if that's right, but I always start with the lower lash, the lower eyebrow side, and then next to the upper. Hey, I'm talking too much and it's not even making sense. Yo, look at what I'm doing. You'll understand better than what I'm trying to explain over the voiceover. Bye. So then you're gonna drag the concealer down so that it can be easy for you to blend it out in case you're applying a shadow and whatever. So you drag it down with your brush like so. So next up, you're going to clean the upper side of the brow. First, we're going to drag the concealer down to our eyelids. This is necessary if you have pigmented eyelids. I'm sure I do have pigmented eyelids. You can see that my eyelids are darker than my face, so poor me. Anyway, you can cover that up. So next up, the upper side of the eyebrow. Same process. Make sure you're very, very careful in doing this. Otherwise, you can wreck whatever you started very, very easily. So be extremely careful. In case you're not impressed with what you've done, you can like go through the line again and try to make it as perfect as you can. I'm telling you, I'm looking crazy. I can see I look crazy with that concealer over my eyes and the rest of the face another color. To reduce the amount of concealer on your eyebrow, you can as well drag it up and then like tap it in with your fingers or brush. You do have one that you can tap in. Yes, so like after that we're going to do the same for the other eye, and then if you're going to be applying eyeshadow on your eyelids, then this part is mandatory. You need to have an eyeshadow primer. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, then you can go in with your concealer and use it as your eyeshadow primer. Again, if you want your eyeshadow to pop, you must use an eyeshadow primer that is lighter than your shade. The one that I'm using is still not appropriate. It should be like a white base. Since I'm not going to apply colors that will pop on my eyeshadow, I'll just use this as my base. Remember to be very careful when doing this, so draw a straight line as you sculpt out your eyebrows. Allah, looks like I forgot about your visibility. So like I've corrected that. I'm sure now you can see what I'm doing. It's hard, by the way. It's hard not to put the mirror as close as you can to your face, because you like want to get every detail right. So bear with me, but I'm sure that this video is much better compared to the first one that I made. I'm sure. Oh my gosh. Anyway, like here we are correcting that. We are rectifying everything that we did. So you can go with medium sized eyebrows, thin eyebrows, thick eyebrows. Like these ones are medium sized, but normally I would go with thin, not thin as in thin, but like you can, okay, I don't mean the one line strand that I see with people. Like I draw my eyebrows and then like make them slightly thinner. I mean, I think that eyebrows determine your age. Like if you see someone with so thick eyebrows, I think you know that guy is mature, or maybe, anyway, I don't know. I don't want to complicate and contradict things here. So like you go with the size that you want to fit in with, or the size that you prefer. So like, yeah. That one was mine. So we are kind of removing the excess concealer, and then blending it out. Then you can like compare the sizes, if they are uniform, if they are not, try and make them uniform. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now. I enjoy myself when I'm doing makeup, so like again, brush through your eyebrows. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but that's kind of an ombre eyebrow effect. What effect then? Anyway, that's like an eyebrow ombre. Like, you can see like the beginning of my eyebrow is like I don't have the color which is on the other part of the eyebrow, so like it's an ombre eyebrow. You can do this, or maybe you can just like shade the whole of your eyebrow, then go over it with a spoolie, and then like you'll acquire this design. Then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. So next up, I'm going to like do my full face makeup, then I'll show up here to perplex you. So like I'm going to do my full face makeup right now, and then I'll be back. Anyway, let's take our time. This is the main objective of this video, so like yeah. As you can see, the concealer is well blended, so yeah. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Here we are. That's the full face makeup, plus the eyeshadow, plus the falsies, plus the lipstick, plus the foundation, plus the everything. Thank you guys, and see you in the next